I'm going to go in with this Anita of Denmark cream foundation and smooth it all over my face with my fingers. Then just add a little bit of concealer to the corners of your eyes to help with darkness. Then just do your brows however you normally do. I like using this wax. Add some blush to the apples of your cheeks. Add a white sparkle cream highlighter to give your cheeks a fairy-like effect. I'm just adding it to the tops of my cheekbones and then down the bridge of my nose. Then add some gold sparkle all over your eyelid. Then just add some mascara. If you really want your lips to have a pouty look, you can add some bronzer right underneath your bottom lip to make it look a little bit more full. And make sure it's hidden so you don't see the bronzer. Then just add some really sparkly lip gloss and your look is done. Now for the hair. What I'm going to do is pull my hair up kind of in like a ponytail, and then I'm going to pull a bunch of baby hairs around my face. And it doesn't matter if they're long, we're going to curl them really tight. Then just get your hair out of the way. Add some hairspray. You can either use a really tiny curling iron or I'm using these hot sticks by Conair. You want to take pretty small pieces because we want the hair to be out of our face. We want it to curl it up enough to where it gives like a doll-like effect all the way around our head. Now while they're setting, we're going to do the rest of our updo. I like using this Ponyo because it takes most of the weight off of the updo and you don't feel that it's so heavy. Then I'm going to use by Frenchie's bobby pins, of course, so they don't slip out. Then I'm going to take small pieces and roll them up and then pin them. What we're making is kind of like a flower updo. So we're taking smaller pieces, not huge and not really tiny, and then we're just going to make rolls all the way around our head, kind of like a flower. So we're adding another petal and just roll it up and make sure it's pinned well. Take a small piece in the middle and put it to the back. And then roll your last petal up around your head. Now for the middle part, you want to roll it up and then kind of put it flat in the center. And pin it well. If you want to, you can add some accessories. Now we're going to take the curls out. And see how tiny they are? You can always use a tiny curling iron. This is just easier for me. And make sure you don't burn your face like I did. Now we're going to kind of brush them out just a tad and then add some hairspray and tease the front part. And if you find that the front curl isn't short enough, you can grab just a little piece of the curl and then grab it with a bobby pin and then hide the bobby pin within the hair. So that way you have kind of like bangs. And this gives your face like a doll-like effect. And that's it for our fairy updo. You can add some earrings if you want to, and you can rock this updo for a wedding, or if you want to go to like a Halloween party and you want to look like a fairy, I think this will work. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. We'll see you next week. Bye.